Hi everyone, welcome to my channel AAA Watercolor. I am Neelam and today we are going to start a brand new mini watercolor series just for trees. If your trees look like this, it's not wrong, it's just flat. We will add little depth and contrast to our values and your trees started looking from simple to 3D. So let's just dive in and get started.
Make a circle for the tree and a trunk. Lemon yellow color. Then adding sap green color, my second color. Using three different colors. And third, Viridian green or phthalo green or any darker green you have. I am blending here. Now making tree trunk with the darker tone. So if your trees look like this is flat. Now this is the dry version. I am making my second tree again with circle. I use three different colors here, but why it took flats? Because I did not use any contrast or darker value, different tonal values. So here again I will start with my lemon yellow color and I am making little leaves coming out of the tree. Sap green color mixed with little phthalo green. Now I am leaving little white gap. Coming to the edges, little dotted and dashes, depicting the leaves. If you notice, I am blending on some areas and some areas I am leaving intentionally dark, especially around the white areas. I am making darker value around those areas. Now, darker value. I am using here peacock blue color. So this is how you can show the contrast. And the darkest value, add the depth to your tree. I will make this tree little bigger to make you understand. So again medium tone, now the darker and darkest tone. Darkest tone towards the edges, little dotted and dashes for the leaves. So this is the darkest tone, leaving some spaces white again. Only difference between two trees, just the tonal value. So if you use three or more different tonal values, it will add depth to your trees. And different colors, lighter and darkest tone, will add contrast to your trees or to your art pieces. I am making little dramatic trunk here, curved or bent, and I will make lot of branches going towards the tree. This will add volume to your tree, so the tree will look more heavier towards its base. The canopy will look more fuller.
Let's summarize the tutorial. So one tonal value 1D. 2 tonal value 2D. So if you want to look your trees or your art piece is 3D, use 3 or more tonal value. That is the simple thumb rule. So we are almost done here. Just I am adding the darkest value towards the base and little dotted and dashes for the leaves. Thank you very much for staying with me, and if you have any question you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next tutorial for light and shadow. Thank you very much. Bye.